What's happening, guys? It's your boy Justin, and you know what's happening. We are busy with a city golf. The weather is very cloudy outside, and I had to get the car back home. And we have the boot full of parts. As you saw on Facebook, I did post a picture showing you that I'm busy cleaning up the sub assembly, which is over there. I did manage to get the crank in, and it's moving nicely. It's just that we have to assemble it all now, and I couldn't work there. The car had to be moved. It's just a lot of stories, but we got it here now, and let's get it done. So let's get all the parts out. So now we got most of the parts out. As you see, it's just the block. Obviously this is so heavy, I need somebody to help me take this out, but for now let's get the gearbox all cleaned up so we can give it a fresh, nice little silver on it and let it not look so crusty as it looks. To clean the gearbox up, we'll be using some plug, some degreaser to get rid of all the stubborn grease you see on the gearbox. So we're going to clean up all the mountings and everything together, and then we'll remove all the stuff that has to be removed before we give it a fresh coat of silver. So let's get this thing all cleaned up. So there you have it. Gearbox is all cleaned up. Now we can get the mountings loosened up and wait for it to dry, so at least we can give it a fresh silver spray on it because it looks like crap. I'm sure a lot of you guys are going to judge me for the way I sprayed this gearbox. But the whole point here is for this thing to look better than what it does look like, because the way it looks so terrible that I don't even want it in my car, you know? That's how bad it looks. So we're on the road to making things look nice and things to be better. So I think this should actually do the job.